The Mahindra XUV 300 top model in petrol with auto shift now gets an app-based BlueSense Plus connected SUV technology. The BlueSense Plus app is available both on Android and iOS. I shall demonstrate the steps needed to get the BlueSense app up and running. The first thing you do is to download the app from your Play Store. I have an Android-based smartphone, and through my internet connection on the phone, I downloaded the BlueSense app for Mahindra XUV 300, which took me hardly any time as there was a 4G service available at the spot where I stood. Once I downloaded this app, I had to pair my phone to the car system. For that, I had to ensure that my Bluetooth is switched on in my smartphone. After that, I searched for Bluetooth devices through the infotainment screen functions. Also, simultaneously, I went into my settings in my phone, then to the Bluetooth and searched for an compatible devices. My phone located Mahindra, and once I clicked on it, the two systems, my phone and the Mahindra XUV system, sent each other a code which I had to accept at both ends. Now my phone was paired to Mahindra XUV 300 through Bluetooth and I was ready to use the app. It's as simple as that. The BlueSense app provides great in-car experience of convenience, accessibility and information to the driver as well as the passenger. The BlueSense app has got 40 plus features including remote vehicle control features, location-based features, vehicle information and alerts, safety and security alerts, in-car controls which keep your worries at bay so that you can enjoy the drive of the auto shift with your loved ones. Remote vehicle control features include remote door lock, unlock, remote hazard lamp on off, search my XUV 300, remote park lamp off, location based features, etc. Then you can also activate live vehicle tracking, find my XUV 300, geofencing, route deviation alert, share vehicle location, share a location, save places and routes, pit stop, turn-by-turn navigation and vehicle information and alerts. These features are ideal to keep a tab on your loved ones and make sure they are safe. This app also provides features like low fuel alert, check distance to empty, parking lamp on alert, vehicle start-stop alert, check tire pressure, check door lock status, check odometer, check AC information, check idle alert, besides security and safety alerts. Now if you're tech savvy gadget freak, then these functions will definitely bring a broad smile to your face. But a piece of advice, make sure that while driving you keep your eyes on the road and not get distracted with your phone or its various features. But at the end of the day, there are more than a handful of features to play around with in this BlueSense app from Mahindra and Mahindra.